So this is a problem on circle geometry. In the diagram above, 0, which is point O, is the center of the circle. Triangle UOT, this is UOT, is equal to 70 degrees. And triangle ROST is equal to 100 degrees. We are requested to find triangle ROUO. This is ROU and O. This is the angle we are going to find. So we want to use the property of circle geometry, the theorems. Any of the points we are going to state, we're going to make sure we give the reasons for it. So let's see the solution to this problem. So we'll first consider this triangle OTU. This is an isosceles triangle because all the sides are equal. And because it is an isosceles triangle, it means that point OT or line OT must be equal to line OU. Because this one is a radius that comes from the center of the circle to touch the circumference of the circle, and this other line is a radius, so we have radii. So that is why this point is equal to this point, and it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, another point we're going to look into is that because it is an isosceles triangle, it means that triangle, or this point U, angle U is equal to angle T. And what is the reason? Is because it is base angles of isosceles triangle. So this angle is equal to this angle. That is the reason. So that is to say, we can indicate here to be x if we want here to be x. It means that this angle O plus angle U plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. And the reasons for this is sum of angle in a triangle. The sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So to that point, you can see that this angle, this point is 70 degrees, plus here is x, plus x equal to 180 degrees. And if you do the mathematics here, 70 plus 2x equal to 180 degrees. Alright, let's take it up. And here will give us 2x equal to 180 minus 70. And this will give us 2x equal to 110. If you divide both sides by 2, we have 110 divided by 2, and our x will equal to 55. So it means 55 degrees. It means this point is 55, and this point is also 55. Remember, we said they are base angle of isosceles triangle. Finally, we are requested to find angle ROUO. But before we find angle ROUO, note that angle ROUT plus angle ROST is equal to 180 degrees. This is the reason for this is opposite segment angle. Opposite segment angle. You can see they are of the same segment, they are opposite segment, this angle and this angle. That is why the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So what is this angle ROST? ROST is 100. So that means let's remove this part so that we can have the full solution. That means at this point we have angle ROUT plus 100 equal to 180 degrees. Angle ROUT will equal to 180 minus 100. So by the time you subtract this, we see that angle ROUT will equal to 80 degrees. Alright? But what we are asked to find is angle ROUO. So to get this angle ROUO, this angle ROUO will be equal to angle ROUT minus this particular angle, which is, we've gotten this is ROUO, which is this one. That is what we are looking for, this angle ROUO will be equal to this angle ROUT minus the one we have previously, which is this 55, this man. We have 55 here degrees. So here we have angle ROUO equal to, this angle was ROUT, and the value for this ROUT is 80 degrees, minus this angle is 55 degrees. By the time you work on this, you see that 180 degrees minus 55, this will be 10, 5, and this will be 7 minus this, which is 25 degrees. So that is the solution to this, and this is Waec problem. Thank you very much.